Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is going to be about our bike ride in South India, and we are going to cover Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. This is going to be a 2-week ride on our Royal Enfield, and I hope you will enjoy watching our journey through all these states. Bangalore and heading towards Pondicherry, which will be our first stop in this long trip. It's really yum. The mashed potato is very different, unlike what we get in Bangalore. They have one more type of chutney, this white plain coconut. It's heavenly. This is the red. It tastes like peanut and tomatoes. And now, time for the sambar. And here we are at Villupuram. We just had our first breakfast. The dosa was awesome, and I just loved the different combination of chutneys they had offered. And instead of sambar, we had a dal for the first time. And this is right after the Allepey toll. And now it's time to kickstart again. Hi guys, we just reached Pondicherry and had a hectic bike ride today. Well, this is just day one of our amazing 14-day bike trip. Please keep watching all our videos and see what are the exciting places we cover during this 14 days. beautiful, na? We ordered cappuccino, cocktail samosa, and plain or chocolate. It's the moment of truth. This place is filled with some beautiful French colonial buildings and chic boutiques. I'm sure we will love just wandering about this beautiful tree-lined alleys. Here at the Ajanta restaurant next to the promenade just to relax after this hectic day today, and it's a wonderful feel to have a warm Christmas for the first time probably in my life. So here we are, we have ordered this beautiful Nilgiris mutton fry and it's time to dig in. It's really soft. I guess they have added palak. Very subtle. You don't expect the kind of masalas that otherwise most of the South Indian cuisine have. However, this is quite bland if I have to compare. And I believe it has to do something with the French culture, or maybe the customer's palate who would not be able to bear that spicy food. So this is our second item, Mongolian beef fry. It looks beautiful again, and they've garnished with some spring onions. I think this is crispy. Cheers. It's really crispy. I would say medium rare, and it almost tastes like a gobi Manchurian. We ended our day with a lovely cultural performance going on at the promenade. We had our breakfast at this lovely place called Bread and Chocolate in Auroville, and I hope you have visited it too for some awesome bakery and coffee. We ordered some croissant, summertime tartine, which was my definite favorite, some French press coffee and lime juice. The food was utterly delicious, and I'm sure I'm going to visit that place again. After our breakfast, we went to this place called Auroville's Visitor Center, which is the only place which is actually allowed for the visitors and the rest of them are restricted. We had to walk about 1.5 to 2 kilometers to the viewpoint in the Matru temple. Okay, information, then this side straight. Picnic area, cycle, The place is really calm and serene. A lot of people from around the world come here for meditation, and there is an information center here at the entrance of the visitor center where you can check out the details. There are a lot of stalls and boutiques in Auroville where handcrafted organic products of local artisans are sold. After we stopped for a quick coffee break at the famous Auroville bakery, we headed to the main city. We grabbed our lunch at La Villa, a beautiful mansion. We had crispy fried prawns and fish with coconut gravy and rice, which was really yum. We wound our time at Pondicherry with a lovely street performance by the Pondicherry police, the show that they put up every evening.